Okay, folks, so we're just going to talk a little bit here about proxy media and how it can be useful. So I've got, if you can see down here, some 4K footage on my timeline. There you go, big files, okay? And if I just try and play this, okay, even at like a quarter resolution, maybe even at an eighth resolution. Okay, that's not too, yet you can see there, it's still struggling to play it back because these are big files and my poor old laptop that's really getting on its last legs now just can't cope with it. So, okay, what I can do is I can select these clips and I can shift them to select more than one. And there's my laptop's fan whirring away because it's struggling. And I can go to proxy and create proxies. Now, because my laptop is being quite slow doing this, I've already done this. So I'll just show you what I've done. I've done this. Let me select them again. Oops, my bad. Okay, I'll control click, create proxy. There we go. And I've just selected from the presets, just selected the smallest one, so I can get the smallest file size. Okay, and I store them in this one next to original media in proxy folder. I find that works best. Okay, so that will then send them over. You see, I've already done them here. It took about 10 minutes, so don't want to waste your time going through that. But you can see it sent them over to Media Encoder, and you don't have to do anything. It just does that, and just the bar crosses, you know, you get the bar going across, and when it's done, it's done. Okay, so I'll quit that now because we've seen that. So what we have here, we have now proxy versions of these files, and on my timeline I can actually switch between the proxy versions. So what I can do is just hit this little plus here, my button editor, and what it's going to do, there you go, it looks slightly different on, on my poor old laptop. I can edit that, you know, when I'm done. I can switch back to the full. And now the beauty of this is I can also send this to somebody else and not have to send massive files. So if I look at this, just see, it's still being slow there. So I've copied this folder on to just a memory stick, okay, and there it is. And I've only copied, okay, my Premiere project and just the proxy folder. So if I look at the proxies here, so this one, my proxy is 159 megabytes. My original one is almost a gigabyte. My other file, 1.34 gigabytes, that is just now 226 megabytes. Okay, so they're a lot smaller to send, which is great. I can send these off to be edited. We can send them back. So what I've done is on this one, I've done some editing on this and saved it as proxy example B, and then sent that back to my original drive. Okay, so you know, this obviously I'm just doing it on the same computer, but I could have sent this anywhere. So here's my proxy example B. So I'm going to open this one. Okay, and I want. Okay, here's my. Okay, so now you can see that this has got an edit. Okay, and it's using the proxy media. Now, if I try and toggle there you go. It's not letting me do it. Okay, because what I need to do is, just because I've sent it to one place and then sent it back to somewhere else, I need to just click on these and just right click and proxy. I need to reconnect, okay, because we sent it to OneDrive, we sent it back to this. So I'll just take all of these, okay, I'll just take this, I'll just attach. So I'll start with this, I'll click on this, relink others automatically. So when it finds one file, it will find all the rest. Okay, attach, and that's the file I want. So I'll hit OK, boom. Okay, it's attached my proxies back. Boom, we've got the full resolution. I can still switch back and forth between the two. Okay, and so that's fine. So I've been able to edit remotely somewhere else, just sending smaller files. All I need to do is send back, not the files, just the Premiere project, which you can see is only 35 kilobytes because it's very small. It's just an information file, and we've just sent the proxies over to be remotely edited. We've just sent this back. We can reconnect the original media, okay, for final export. Okay, so that saves a lot of processing power on your computer, and it also saves a lot of time trying to send really big files. So proxies are great time saver, and great when you've got a poor sad little old laptop like I've got here. So thanks for watching, buddies.